Welcome back. Taking a full look at weather now with Chief Meteorologist Dan Cianca. Dan, we like these fall-like temperatures coming our way.
You know,
Halloween's almost here.
It's time for some colder weather. Certainly, make sure you have those furnaces going because we're going to have some cold morning lows out of the weekend. But the question is, as this all transpires, will we see any precipitation? Well, there are going to be a couple of chances, so let's talk about it. So live look from Domenico's tonight. We have low clouds out there this evening, potentially a little bit of fog out there as well. So watch out for areas of reduced visibility. It's the same thing around here. We know how to deal with it. We deal with fog a lot here on the Central Coast. Right now, visibility looking okay at most area airports, so no major fog issues at the moment, at least in the lower elevations. We may see a little bit in those coastal hills, though. Low clouds filled in around the bay and into some of the inland valleys. At the moment, temperatures are mostly in the 50s, which for this time of night and this time of year is actually a little bit on the warm side, but we have some colder air on the way, and it is going to be slowly infiltrating our region, maybe starting tomorrow. I think we'll notice it starting tomorrow. Meantime, overnight, temperatures dipping into the low 50s for most cities around the bay. So here's what we're watching. We have some very cold air off to the north. There are winter storm warnings in place for places like Montana and Idaho right now. So certainly a touch of the cold season weather off to our north, but it is going to be heading our way. We're going to begin to see a cool down above us tomorrow, and actually will translate to the surface. So as we head into our Wednesday, the overall air mass temperature above us drops about 10 degrees Fahrenheit. That's at about mountaintop, and that will really translate to most mountain areas, most inland areas tomorrow. You're going to see those temperatures drop about 10 degrees from today's highs. Now today was actually a little on the warm side, so we have some comfort room, some wiggle room to get us back down closer to normal, probably below. But on the coast, we won't see as dramatic of a change. And then overnight, tomorrow night into Thursday, a weak cold front passes by. Then that system blows out of here. So that's going to be out of here pretty quickly. But wait, there's more. The next system starts to roll in out of the north late Friday into Saturday. That one has a little bit of moisture associated with it. Some models still trying to show some precipitation in our area on the day Friday. Really only one model still holding that solution. Many of the other models backing off of that solution. So it's looking drier Friday, but there's still an outside chance of some precipitation. But it also will bring another push of colder air into Saturday. And that colder air is going to settle into the region. And we're going to notice that at night. It's going to be very dry air. Cold air. Our mornings will be cold, especially starting Sunday, and then probably lasting into early next week, all while building high pressure off to our west will actually bring our afternoon temperatures back around. But we're going to be a little chilly this weekend for our highs. So how about the next 24 hours on Future Track? Here's what we've got for you. Low clouds, again, around the bay tonight into the interior valleys, patchy fog possible. As we head through the afternoon tomorrow, we're going to call it partly cloudy skies. We'll see patchy low and high clouds coming through. I'm zooming out a little bit because I want you to see the increase in clouds late tomorrow evening as the frontal boundary arrives. So we see clouds thickening tomorrow evening around the Monterey Bay area, and even a little green showing up here. So there is a band of moisture that's going to come through tomorrow evening. Potential for a little bit of drizzle, maybe a couple of sprinkles at most. That's really all I'm seeing with this as it moves its way through. And then rapidly behind it, things start to clear out. So this is already 4 a.m. on Thursday morning, and we'll see clearer skies Thursday afternoon. It just won't be all that warm. Temperatures tomorrow again dropping, only 60s for our highs across the Santa Cruz Mountains, upper 60s down on the coast, Santa Cruz and Capitola tomorrow staying in the upper 60s on the east shore of the bay, mid to upper 60s tomorrow. Salinas, you topped out at 73 today. We're only 67 tomorrow. Gilroy, you were close to 80 today, only 70 tomorrow, so definitely feeling that cool down. Over to the Monterey Peninsula, expecting highs mainly in the low to mid 60s tomorrow. Again, a bit on the cool side for us. And then down south, we'll see a few spots into the 70s, but no more 80s on the map. And actually closer to the coast, we're going to stay in the 60s. So look at that 7-day forecast. Again, a few sprinkles possible overnight tomorrow night into Thursday. That should really be kind of around midnight or so. And then after that, we'll start to clear out. And then just kind of cool weather for the next several days. And then through the weekend, notice those lows dropping out of us, even on the coast, low 40s on average Sunday, Monday, Tuesday into Halloween there. Highs are cool this weekend, but actually warm up next week. Inland areas, again, the next couple of days are going to be cool for this time of year. And then the bottom drops out of our lows. Could even be talking about some frost for some of the higher inland valleys by next week. So yeah, we're talking much of a taste of the colder weather. Of course, stay tuned to the forecast. We're also going to watch that Friday system. Right now, it's starting to look a little on the drier side. Veronica?
All right, sounds good. Thank you, Dan.